I'm here with Bella Belen of the Capital One Solar Spikers. Putting up 29 big points, 15 excellent digs, a double-double performance, and her best career performance in the PVL up to date. Congratulations, Bella. Grabe ka talaga. You're an all-around person. Kamusta ang pakiramdam? You're back in the winning column today. Sabi mo kanina, it's a process. Take me to that process.
Siyempre, I'm very happy kasi na panalo namin yung game and hindi naman namin siya magagawa kung hindi kami nagtulungan. Talagang nilaban ng team. Nakita ko kung paano nag-push yung bawat isa para mapanalo yung game.
And yung push na yan, pati yung composure and connection nyo, sabi mo sa akin kanina, pinaghahandaan at pinagtatrabuhan nyo pa. Ano ang nagpapanalo sa inyo today? Nakakapagod siguro yung 5 sets na yon.
Siguro yung drive lang talaga namin na maipanalo yung game na to. Kasi syempre galing kami sa 2 talo. So gusto namin mapanalo namin yung mga next remaining games namin. And I'm very happy kasi yun, nagbunga lahat ng paghihirap namin sa training.
Kitang-kita talaga yung hustle mo, Bella. And of course, that is acknowledged here in the PVL. Kaya naman we have an award for you. Together with me are the people from the PVL Press Corps and its officers with their president, Mr. Lance Agkawili, to present Miss Bella Belen with the Miss Volleyball Award. So she was able to win the Miss Volleyball Award from last night's 2025 Philippine Sports Writer Association. So kaway-kaway, Bella, thank you very much. Okay, and do you have any messages to your fans na gusto mong iparating sa kanila?
Siyempre po, first of all, thank you po sa PSA for giving me this award. I'm very honored po na matanggap to. And to all the fans po na nanood po dito sa game namin ngayon, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Capital One and sa lahat ng teams. And sana po wag kayong magsawang suportahan yung Capital One and see you po sana sa next games namin.
Okay, thank you very much, Bella. And of course, to the PVL Press Corps. And now let's wrap this match up, Eric and Noreen.